Hello, my name is Nelson Alvarenga. I'm a professional real estate broker that lists and sells homes with Alvarenga Realty. I've been a realtor since 1997 and I've sold hundreds of homes. I was with Century 21 for 10 years and currently I've sold some homes here in Villagewalk where I currently live. And today I want to bring you a market update of the homes that have sold here in Villagewalk. So today is Monday, May 16th. And first of all, the update is from the beginning of the year, okay? The properties that have sold are four properties have sold since the beginning of the month, the month of May. So, we have, the market hasn't really changed in the last few days. We've had 6 properties that are currently active for sale. They're currently for sale active. And there are 9 properties that are pending with 4 that have sold since the 1st of May. And we're, like I said, about the middle of May right now, a little bit past that. So today I want to bring to you something very interesting. I live in what they call, I believe it's called the Oakmont, since they were built originally new, these properties here. Some of them, the Oakmont models here in Villagewalk, were around 2,000 square feet. Some of them, they expanded the living area a little bit, and they turned out to be around 2,200 square feet. But that model, the way, you can't really look at comparable sales to sell it. You have to go by, what is happening in the market. So right now, I have for you what is called a seller's net sheet. A seller's net sheet is basically what you would obtain when you close on your property as the seller, as the owner of the property. Once you pay off the commission, once you pay off all the closing costs, including the title policy, including doc stamps, including any taxes, any lien searches, anything that the title company charges you that are normal closing costs for the seller, after you pay all that, how much do you actually get? Now, this is excluding the amount that you owe on the property as a mortgage, because some people have them paid off. So we're assuming you have it paid off. If you don't have it paid off, you would have to subtract whatever you owe, whatever that amount is that you owe on your property, from what I'm going to give you. But let's say, for instance, that I did an estimate based on $800,000, and this is with the closing agent title insurance, which is the one that I like to recommend and use because they are very, very good at what they do. And so these will be the closing costs for you, okay? And the title policy, title companies are typically regulated by the state of Florida to charge customary fees to the homeowners. They're not gonna scam you or anything like that, but you got to know who you're working with, because some of them are excellent to work with, some of them are not, and it's really stressful to sell a house sometimes, and homeowners can get very stressful. But anyway, so we're assuming here this is a net sheet, a seller's net sheet, what you net out of the sale. We're assuming a sale on an Oakmont right now of $800,000. So if you sold it for $800,000, after you pay off everything, including commission, you would net approximately $736,000. That would be the money that you would get. $736,000 money in your pocket. Okay, from that amount, you have to subtract any mortgages that you owe, the balance on your mortgage. If you don't have a mortgage, then that would be what you would get. Now, the question is, do you actually, is that something realistic? Can you sell your property for $800,000? The Oakmont, right now, from $700,000 to $800,000, the answer is yes. I can definitely make that happen for you because I know how to negotiate with other agents, with buyers, and get you that money. That's one of my biggest strengths, is negotiation, because of the experience that I've had in this. But can you actually get that amount? Absolutely yes. Can you get You know, and of course that depends. You know, you can list your property from $700,000 to $800,000 depending on what you've done to the property and how old the property is. In Villagewalk, we have some that were built in 2006. You know, year 2006. Wow. Others were built, you know, 2014, 15. So those are newer. So how old is your property? That's the question. What have you done to the property since you bought it? Big things like, have you replaced the roof? Have you replaced the flooring? Have you done, you know, expensive things like that? Have you remodeled the kitchen with new cabinets and new appliances and things like that? Those are questions that will determine the price. But the bottom line that I want to give you is that still the market is that high right now where you can still sell it and actually net this amount that I was bringing to you. So that's what I have to bring for you today. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.